sunny day in North Carolina, and we are here in the NSX. So today we are testing out the DJI Action 2. This is a new small compact camera, and we are running this in 4K at 60 frames per second. So let's see how good this camera functions, and let's see what kind of cabin noises you can pick up on this drive. Oh man, look at all those trucks over there. Ah, somebody wants to race. Oh, somebody's pulling up. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah, looks like snow in Carolina. Nope, just kidding. That's just the flowers floating in this, whatever. Those little floaty things. But boy, oh boy, I hope you can see this as good as me. Leaves are falling. It's fall in North Carolina. And when the leaves drop, you know what that means? Your foot drops on the pedal. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, buddy. We are moving. And 1, 2, 3, go! Slow down now. We can't get too crazy with it. Don't want to get no tickets, you know? Tickets are not good. But the speed is so much fun. 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Boy, thank you Acura for this wonderful experience. Now we can relax. Just breathe. This is like therapy. You gotta breathe. This is the process. Breathe. All right, now that we're calm, crank it up again. Let's go. Whoa! The gurgles, the pops, the exhaust. Man, what an exhilarating experience. Oh my goodness. Now we really got to calm it down because we're about to hit a street with some raggedy potholes and stuff. So we're not really going to be able to do that anymore. But we got one last stretch here. 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! Oh man, this is bananas. It's a speed machine. And I'm glad you were here to join me on this new DJI Action 2 in 4K.